Hello, history friends. This is the Unit 6 assessment. First part of the test, section 1, is going to have you look at this map. The map says it's the Great Migration. About 6 million African Americans moved from the south to the north and west between 1916 and 1970, particularly during World Wars I and II. Most of the migrants moved from rural communities to large cities. And then we've got two questions that go along with that. I'm going to read the question. Feel free to pause the recording. Then you can write your responses and then hit play again. So number 1 says, what is one reason why the Great Migration happened? So again, what is one reason why the Great Migration happened? Number 2, the adjustment to city life in places like Chicago was not the easiest experience. What is one challenge people of color faced in this new setting? Think about the Chicago race riots and the differences between rural and city life as you put together this answer. And let's be sure that we're using complete sentences as we put together our thoughts. Section 2 is all about the Roaring Twenties. Number 1, describe the culture of the Roaring Twenties. Include all of the following topics: art, music, fashion, poetry, consumer products, and advertisements. Number 2, was the banning of alcohol, the 18th Amendment, a good choice for the United States? Why or why not? Think about that DBQ we did in class that was all about prohibition. Section 3 is about the Great Depression. Number 1, why did the Great Depression happen? Number 2, what were the effects of the Great Depression? List as many as possible. Think about that Butcherville activity that we did in class. How were the different families impacted? Section 4, we have a picture. Question 1, the image above is of what historical time period? How did this event start? Please include both causes. And number 2, what were the consequences of this event? Include as many as you can. And then our last section, section 5. Number 1, what is a fireside chat? And what purpose does it serve for the American people? Include information about who, what, and why. And then number 2, in the table below, please complete the following tasks. Step 1, A, list a New Deal program for each section. B, explain what the program did. And then C, explain why is it an example of relief, recovery, or reform. Use your sheet that we did in class, the research about relief, recovery, and reform programs, to fill out this chart. If you have any questions, let us know.